What's up, guys, and welcome back to TShirt Designs. Quick tip for the day. With staining and everything else, pretty much everything in my shop that requires any type of wipe up, clean up, wipe on, wipe off, whatever. T-shirts. I don't buy rags at all. A t-shirt works just as good as anything else, and it's going to save you a ton of money, especially if you have children. So anytime my wife goes through the kids' clothes for summer to winter, winter to summer, whatever doesn't fit, typically we sell the majority of it on like Facebook Exchange, or we'll donate it to the closet or whatever. But if there's something that they've worn that's torn up, stained, or dirty, and it's just, you don't want to donate crappy clothes, it comes to the shop, goes in a bucket, and when I need a rag for staining or anything else, I cut some t-shirt up and I got a rag. So another quick tip of the day. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. See you next time.